introduce myself, Samsul from JST Connectors Malaysia Sdn Bhd, located at PTP Free Zone. So please introduce yourself.
My name is Christopher Marcus.
My name is Audrey.
My name is Lavanya.
Yes, good.
What is your background company? What is the mission and vision and so on?
Okay, our company is JST Connectors Malaysia Sdn Bhd. This is a Japanese company. Japanese company. So this is a company electric and electronic industry, E&E. So we doing connectors for connectors, terminal, housing to supply for end user. For example, like Sony, Toyota, Panasonic, Mitsubishi, then automotive from Europe. These connectors is supplied to harness maker in order to supply to many compliance reality. This is not dedicated only one industry. There should be on electronic, automotive, oil and gas, computers, games, and so on. They apply. So our company targeting that they will supply for worldwide. The organization is, we have sales office worldwide from Asia, including Europe and US, and we product few countries in worldwide, like in China, we have Shanghai and Hong Kong. We have Japan. Japan, there is a manufacturing for production, and we have Korea. We call JST Korea, Indonesia, Malaysia, and plus is I mentioned Hong Kong and Shanghai. Sorry? No, okay, there is manufacturing, the factory. So the factory will sell to our sales office. That means our JST affiliate overseas. Meaning will be based on Europe, the UK, Belgium, Dutch, France. For Europe side, they're most on automotive, like GMC, Lamborghini, BMW, and so on, IM. For Asia, most on E&E, electronics. So they supply to several like Panasonic, worldwide, Canon, Thailand, and so on. And also Malaysia itself. So we have end product. For our mission and vision for JST Connectors, we will supply for worldwide electronic industry. Okay, this is very interesting. In JST Connectors Malaysia Sdn Bhd, they have 4 plants. 4 plants, which is 4 factory, which is we call INUNS. So there will be another 1 warehouse. So for our JM is considered JST Malaysia Logistics, JM Log. So there will be for import and export distribution. Meaning for import, they will go to that warehouse, then we go segregate for 4 plants and we distribute. For export, we collect from finished goods from 4 plants, we go to JM Log at the central warehouse. So from there we consult into one truck or container, then we ship out. Okay, that is our import export. And my position is I have another two department which is under myself. It's a GM sales. GM sales, which is we are selling to end user local Malaysia industry or manufacturing. As you know, it's Daikin, Panasonic, Sony. These are big player. I mentioned they have got a small player, but I mentioned to easy understand for the big player where is a common. And also we have Mitsubishi, Dyson, we have supply. Then is JM sales. Is a local sales. And next is the third one is JM online. JM online is similar like online shopping, which is our transaction will be in the PTP, presumed PTP, and we distribute our product, our online product at Hong Kong warehouse. So all transaction will be in PTP, payment and so on. One we give instruction to Hong Kong warehouse and distribution. So that is what GST Malaysia operation. So we have three department. So we is for import and export. One second is JM sales, and third is JM online.
Hi, my name is Vivian. So I will explain the background of GST Connectors Malaysia Sdn Bhd. GST Connector is an electric and electronic industrial company located in Port Tanjung Pelepas, Gelang Patah, Johor. Japan Solderless Terminal, or GST for short, is a company that originated in Japan as its founder is from the country of Japan. This company manufactures connector, terminal, and housings for end user. Among the brands that they are produced for connectors, terminal, and housings are Sonic, Dota, Panasonic, Mitsubishi, and others. GST Connectors is not solely focused on one industry. It serves a variety of industries, including electronics, automotive, oil and gas, computer, gaming, and more. The GST company has offices all over the world, including Malaysia, America, Belgium, France, Germany, and other locations. There are 4 plants or 4 factories in GST Connector, which is GMN plant, GMU plant, GMS I plant, and the last one is GMS plant. Additionally, the company has 3 departments, which are GM Log, GM Sales, and GM Online. GM Log handles matters related to export and import. GM Sales is responsible for selling to end user in the local Malaysian industry, while GM Online is an online shopping department similar to online platforms such as Shopee. All transactions, including payment, are conducted at Port Tanjung Pelepas, and online products are distributed from the Hong Kong warehouse.
Okay, from that, normally for plant they have their own factory manager. Then for HQ, they have 4 managers in order to control the HQ judgment or direction. So I will be one of the management for the HQ.
Hi, my name is Audrey. So next is organizational structure and exercise functions for GST company. For GST company, there will be the president or top management in organization. All the top management will be in all Japanese owner, including the directors, chairwoman, and the president. For operational manufacturing, president will be in charge, and the owner can be both, which is chairman and chairwoman. In GST company organization, there will be 3 executive leadership, which is CEO, Chief Executive Officer, CFO, Chief Financial Officer, and COO, Chief Operating Officer. For CEO, they will be responsible in operation of the company and set strategic directions. For CFO, they will manage financial aspect, budgeting, and financial planning. And last, for COO, they will ensure efficient day-to-day operation and products process. GST company is type of family business, and GST company have 4 plants, which is these 4 plants is responsible for producing a wide range of connectors used in industries like electronic, automotive, telecommunications, and more. Other than that, they are also responsible for arrangement for receiving orders and finished goods delivery. On top of that, for sales of marketing, they will be focused on promoting selling GST product for customer in worldwide. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, as you know, currently we are facing global global downtrend, meaning global downtrend, global economic downtrend. This because we is worldwide, not only GST or others, not because of US or something else, no, because the economy. Because after the COVID, because during COVID, they have hold everything, and that time they have purchase panic buying. They're buying and purchase, so they need a lot of stock for raw material. Then also must our factory also open order. We have production more and more. Suddenly, by this year, 2023, is starting the downtrend. However, during December 2022, I've been involved with a corporate conference. Some speakers already informed that 2022-23, they will get affected for downtrend, which is economic crisis. Okay, because of this economic crisis, a lot of material is burst out. You too, they have no demand, they have no supply. So supply and demand is not there. So whatever the product is manufactured, they are stored, they are kept at warehouse.
The global economic downturn and its impact. The onset of the COVID-19 pandemic led to widespread economic downturns that distribute supply chains, hampered consumer spending, and triggered uncertainties across industry. Secondly, strategic decision and response to the crisis. The ST connector response to the economic crisis was marked by a mix of conscious pushing and unforeseen challenges. As the pandemic unfolded, the company encountered conundrums whether to maintain its raw material inventory or curtail it in anticipation of lower demand. Thirdly, the accumulation of raw materials. In the mindset of uncertainty, the ST connector and accumulation of raw materials emerges as a significant concept. The company, like many others, experienced a prolonged imbalance between production and demands. The panic drive procurement of raw materials led to a surplus inventory that outpaced the limited demand. Lastly, addressing the downward trend. As a JST connector enters the period of December 2032 and 2032 to 2033, it faces the challenges of addressing the downward trend exacerbated by the economic crisis. This juncture presents an opportunity for the company to reassess its strategies and recalibrate its operation.
So we move to the next question. What market structure the certain company provider perfect regulation, follow policy competition, and performing economy. Can you explain the characteristic of the market?
Okay. For the connectors industry, we are JST connectors at the first place or second place on the top. So we supply for high end and low end. However, due to this economy, most of our orders is dropped due to there is no demand. What I'm doing my survey myself for this marketing, most of the warehouse for JST marketing office, they are full. The reason is the manufacturing is not buying. Due to at their warehouse they still have the raw material or finished goods. So they have no buying and demand on that particular business. Therefore, now we really facing economy with no business. Actually, for Malaysia itself, we are suffering on exchange rate. Malaysia rate is very weak currency. Now we buy almost of the raw material from overseas. Due to Malaysia rate very low, so we buy in high cost.
Hi, I am Lavanya Sionish Rao. My ID number is 12290904571. I am gonna explain the previous video, which is the structure does this company fall under, and explain the strategy. JST company, a leading player in the high and low end market, is facing challenges due to economic shift. The company demand has decreased, causing excess inventory and potential financial strain. The low Malaysian currency rate has also impacted to its overseas sourcing strategy, potentially increasing cost and reducing profit margins. To mitigate these challenges, JST must explore adaptive strategies such as devising product offering, exploring alternate markets, optimizing supply chain process, and utilizing strategy marketing to stimulate demand. Collaboration with financial experts could also provide valuable insights to managing currency risk effectively.
Is there government intervention in this market? If so, why and what are they?
Okay, for government intervention, there is no. Government is, cannot support on this market. Like myself, I contact MIDA directors, Johor, and asking for this. There is investor going back, or they are restructure to another investment, another country investment. especially in Vietnam, Philippines. Now is India. India is starting. Vietnam is going. Because I did got an experience. I'm from Brother Industry Johor. Then they have four factory. One is BITM, Brother Industry Malaysia. But I'm in charge of Brother Industry Johor for 3 plants. So they are transferring from Malaysia to Philippines, Manila. For government, they have to approach, but due to political issue, economic issue, and also manpower supply. That's the most 3 important factor that government should support. But government not say not doing, but they have a limitation because of due or this issue.
That's the end of our legal decision.
Okay, this will come. No problem. You have anything, you can call me. Then decide what is your question, so I can support. No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, my name is Peggy. I will explain about government intervention. Government cannot support on this market, and he contact his one director in Johor and asking for his market to investing back. All of the structure to another investment and another country investment, especially in Vietnam, Philippines, and now it's India. Go from Vietnam experience, and it has 4 factors. He is in just in industry Johor for 3 plants, and there are transferring from Malaysia to Mamalia, Philippines. For government, there is a proof to multi-issue economy and also manpower supply. There is most important factor that government should support, but government can do, and they have a limitation because of these 3 issues.
Hi, my name is Evelinita Namai. What have we learned throughout this project is I'm eager to hear about what we have learned throughout this project and how it has contributed to our personal and professional growth. It's a good time to think back on the lesson, learn and information learned while working on this project as we get closer to its conclusion. The difficulties we overcome have taught us important lessons about problem solving and teamwork. We have developed our technical expertise, learned to deal with unforeseen situations, and realized the value of excellent communication throughout the various stages of this project. Additionally, by providing a platform for personal development, this project has helped us better recognize our strengths and areas for development. I am interested in learning about the individual lessons each team member has learned throughout this project, whether it's gaining new technical skills or uncovering untapped reservoirs or tenacity and perseverance. This lesson will surely help us in future endeavors and support our ongoing growth as individuals and as a strong team. Okay, thank you. That's all from me.